Lesson 14. Today we will have a shorter lesson, but it takes time to get used to this structure. We will be using the structure I have, you have, he has, and so on. In Latvian, this is a little bit different. We are using datives of either pronoun, like in this case, or noun, because we can always say she has or Lena has, right? So it could be either pronoun, like in our examples, or it could be the noun. That will be put in datives. If you have your table of pronouns and nouns, check out datives. And then we use ir. So basically, like, to me there is, to me it belongs. This is the structure. The good thing is, once you have learned that I have is manir, you have tevir, and so on, you don't have to relearn anything. So in any situation, it will be the same. So either I have a daughter, or I have a lot of problems, or I have a flu, anything. It will always be manir. So let's dive into that and try to really remember. Man ir meita. I have a daughter. Vai tev ir bērni? Do you have children? Vai, yeah, the general question. Tev ir, you have, bērni, we ask in plural, just like in English. Viņam ir divas meitas. He has, viņam ir. He has, viņam ir. Divas meitas, two daughters. Viņai ir, she has, viņai ir, divi dēli. How do you think? Why there is a difference between divas and divi? It's two in both cases in English. Yes, because also the numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on, they will change depending on the gender and number of the noun that they're working together with. So like in this case, if I had one daughter, I would say man ir viena meita. So you can hear viena meita. But here we have divas meitas, two daughters. The same goes here. Dēli, it's obviously a masculine word, actually belongs to this first declension, and that's why we have divi dēli. Can you guess? How would you say he has 4 daughters and she has 4 sons? Viņam ir 4 meitas, viņai ir 4 dēli. So that works. We have a cat. Mums ir kaķis. Mums ir kaķis. T, t. This is how it's pronounced. It is not easy, I understand. This is kind of a little bit super soft t. Kaķis, right? Not kakis, kaķis. Vai jums ir dzīvnieki? Vai jums ir dzīvnieki? The question, yeah, jums ir, you have, and jums ir means either you plural or you formal. Vai jums ir dzīvnieki? Do you have pets? Viņiem ir dēls un meita. They have a son and a daughter. Viņiem ir dēls un meita. Vai jums ir bērni? Vai jums ir dzīvnieki? Rakstiet komentāros.